A reading from the Jamaican New Testament, Romans 8:37-39. But no matter what happen or what we go through, Christ Jesus, the one we love we cause we feel more than win. Cause me know for sure say, nothing at all can make Christ Jesus stop love we. It no matter if we dead or we alive, it not stop love we. No angel, ruler, or power in heaven can tap him from love we. Nothing will happen now and nothing will go happen. We make him tap love we. Me know for sure say, nothing where they way up in the sky or where they under the earth can make him tap love we. As a matter of fact, nothing where God make, nothing at all, can take away the love we come from God and with Christ Jesus, sure we. A God word this in the Jamaican language. Join us next Thursday when we'll be listening to and discussing Romans 9 and 10. God bless you.